guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. I am unboxing the Pinchme subscription box, and Pinchme reached out to me and sent me a lot of goodies. So if you guys want to know what I got, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload. Now let's get started with the video. Here is the box. It says try products from leading brands for free. This is a subscription box for free. They don't need your credit card number or anything. First of all, you have to become a pincher. You have to create a profile, and you just have to put everything about yourself and just any products that you use on a daily basis relevant to your lifestyle. The second step, you have to pick up your samples. On Sample Tuesday, you have to choose the samples that you want to receive in the Pinchme box, and there's no credit card required, so this is not going to charge you at all. It's all free. But on the third step, you have to give them feedback. So everything that you're gonna try in this box, you have to let them know and review the products. It says try the products for free. In exchange, we ask for a bit of your time and plenty of opinions. And then there's Pinchme perks as well. Get special perks including partner offers and exclusive sweepstakes. You can join different giveaways that they have going on sometimes. I do have them on Instagram, so they always have a different giveaway. So after I try all of these, I am gonna give my opinion, and maybe I can receive more boxes in the future. The first thing that I see here, and I already used, is this Biore baking soda cleansing foam. This is for acne. It has salicylic acid. So this is what it looks like. It is for combination skin. Let me just pump some out real quick. So that is what the cleanser looks like. I loved it, and I'm already a fan of Biore. I use their Biore baking soda, but the exfoliating one. So sometimes I mix both of them, and it is a great combination. I do have acne sometimes. I have a few pimples here and there, so this was great for my skin. It didn't break me out at all, and you guys need to check this out. Even if you don't get the box, check this product out. It's so good. And then the next product that I see, and I already used actually, is the Biore Charcoal Self-Heating 1-Minute Mask. And this is what it looks like. So it's like a gray mask, and it's for only 1 minute. As soon as I started applying it, it was so hot. I really loved it. My skin did feel really clean. I loved it. It was really nice and clean, and it felt like I had no pores. It was just amazing. I need to get the full size of this. Next is this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is crushed macadamia and rice milk. So this is another little sample. Maybe I'll get like 2 uses out of this. I will use it tonight. I use another body exfoliator, so I'm a fan of body exfoliators. They are great for your skin. So I can't wait to try this. The next item that I see is this Garnier Fructis Color Vibrancy Treat. It's a 1-minute hair mask, and this is what it looks like. Let's open this. I have not used this before. It smells so good. So I used to dye my hair, obviously. I haven't dyed my hair in like 2 to 3 years, but I can still get a use out of this, I think. So this is a vegan formula. It has no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. I want to actually touch it so I can feel the consistency of this. Ooh, so it's really soft. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it to the ends of my hair in the shower, and then I'll just rinse it off while I'm there. Now I have these Next Care waterproof bandages. They stay on, and it keeps water out, dirt, and germs. And there's 20 of them in here in 3 different sizes. I I'm really excited for these. I always cut myself from work or something, and my bandages always fall off because of the water when I shower and everything. So these are gonna be really handy. So there's 3 different sizes. Well, I can't wait to use these, but it's not like, you know, I want to get a cut anytime soon. I always get like paper cuts. It's so annoying. But these are very, very handy. They're gonna go in my bathroom, my little emergency kit. Now I have this Biore Free Your Pores limited edition deep cleansing pore strip. Ooh, this instantly unclogs pores and it removes dirt, oil, and blackheads. So there's one nose strip in here. I've never tried these nose strips before. I don't really have blackheads, but tonight I will use it in my little spa night. So here it tells you how to apply it, and you leave it on from 10 to 15 minutes. Last but not least, I have some Skittles. Wow, so they even put food in here and little snacks. So this is crazy. These are new. These are the sweet heat fruity flavors with the spicy kick. Let's see how they taste. So one of these here. That was the red one. It's not spicy at all. Let's try the orange one. Just a little bit afterwards when you eat it. It's like a little bit of a heat. It's not spicy though. These are really good. So that was all that was in my Pinchme box. I will leave a link down below in the description box, and you can sign up straight from there and it'll be free. It's all free. You get new products that you haven't tried. You get products that are at the store that you don't even need to buy, but in return you just have to give them your opinion, give them your feedback, and that's it. It's very, very easy. So make sure you check it out and tell them I sent you. This is definitely worth it. I'm gonna use all these products and give them my opinion so I can keep getting more boxes. And these products are great for an everyday use, you know. Twitter, they have Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook. Here are their handles. It is all Pinchme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did, and if you guys have any questions, I will list everything in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.